All right, yo.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How we all doing? Yes, sir, guys. You guys missed out on yesterday's live stream. We got our first payout of the year, $3,652 after the fees. Crazy. Nice shorts off the range. We're chopping around a lot right now. This is a bad range. This is a very bad range. Yeah, Modern Warfare 2. I love that. I freaking got copyrighted for the Call of Duty Call of Duty 4 intro, so we can't use that one. Knock on wood, hopefully we don't get copyrighted. It didn't get copyrighted on the Tuesday stream. So I'm hoping it won't get copyrighted. But yesterday's did, so that was unfortunate. It's all good. But yeah, I love that intro. Gets you pumped, gets you going. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Bob? What's up, Vivian? What's up, everyone? So Young and True Trades, let's go. Venture Capital, everyone. What's up, Disciplined Futures Trader? Thanks everyone for tuning in. Yeah, so guys, we got these TakeProfitTrader 550K accounts. Look, this is the ninth thing. Look, yesterday I made a profit of like $910 above the buffer. So we got that on 5 accounts. $3,652 after the fees on the 5 accounts. We got a payout video for next week. Let's go. And guys, if I make a profit today, hopefully that's the case, could take another withdrawal. That's what I like. And we got like, look at 5 of that. So we're gonna be very patient today. Like same mindset as yesterday. Like just look for an A+ discipline setup. We're not gonna force anything, especially in this chop, because like this is a bad range. This is a very this is chop. This is just straight crappy chop. It's not. Look at this. If it was coming back down to here, like in this range, like bouncing like this, like yesterday, which it was doing, it was like a 50-60 point range. That's a good range you could play off of. But this is like, this is cock-a-poo-poo price action. This is no bueno. Like, look at this. It's not. It's like making, not even coming back to this part of the range, and it looks like it's just making a higher par. We want to see like a breakout in a direction. But yeah, we've been playing in the ranges and like chopped the last week or two. Michael, honestly, I did in the past, but then I realized it's kind of ridiculous. Like $650 to reset a 50K account is crazy. So I just immediately stopped doing that, because you could get 6.5 50K challenges going for one of the funded accounts, and they're kind of like preying on your emotion in that case, because it's like you just blew your account, you're tilted, you're annoyed, you want to get your funded account back. Let me just pay the $650 fee. Now I just take it slow and just get 5 challenges going again, and you save more money, and it makes you calm down a little more. Hey, Venture Capital, everyone like Venture Capital. Thank you, brother. We got another donation. This is our 4th donation ever. Everyone like for Venture Capital. Thank you, man. Road to 250,000 in payouts. The vlogs are back every Monday. We're back consistently, back on Mondays. So thank you, Venture Capital. I appreciate you, man. Yeah, this is really this is straight chop. So we need to be patient on this. Yeah, Gabriel, it's like it kind of like I thought it was gonna play off like a nice range like this, but it like formed right here and started bouncing off here. And now it's forming like a little higher area right here, which is very strange. So shorts might be sketch right here. But guys, yesterday we yeah, like it up for Venture Capital. Everyone, appreciate you, man. Look, yesterday we had a big sell off. Yeah, see? It was like 26,000 area. Yeah, this 26,000 is a big rejection area. We had a big sell-offs yesterday, and that's what we're doing. We took some nice shorts off this range, and it looks like it's coming back up. This is a big like range. Yeah, see, look at this. It's coming back up. Yeah, so we're kind of in a weird area. This 26,000 area is a big rejection area, but we might see a push up there to the day. But we gotta be careful of a rejection there again. So remember, this 26,000 area, guys, is a big level. And we've been playing it off there this week and last week. So we just gotta be more cautious, but we could see it come back into this range. What's up, Internet? Thanks for joining in, brother. Yeah, that was a good stream yesterday. That was really funny. That was a fun stream. FBI, open up. What's up, Scotty? Whoa, cat got the zoomies. What's up, Josh? What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in like always. Be very consistent for y'all with all the content, everything. Yeah, Stefan, this market right here is definitely testing our patience. Definitely testing our patience right here. So we're not gonna force anything. I'm gonna go into the same mindset today. Like A plus, only clean setup, nice RR. If I don't see it, I don't take it. We take the best, leave the rest. Cause like, dude, if we make another profit, that's another payout. At the end of the day, that's a nice. Yeah, I heard it. That was very fun. That was very fun. That shit was so funny. Hey, thanks, John. Yep, we got our first payout yesterday. If you guys want to watch that on stream yesterday, $3,652 to be exact. Awesome. So, very nice. Yeah, we are in a very weird choppy area right here. No trades yet today. We're gonna be very cautious because this is a bad chop. This is very bad chop. So, like, if it was like yesterday's range, like it just kept falling like from here and then coming back to this part of the range, we'd 100% try to capitalize on that. But since it's literally just slowly choppy, grindy, moving, it's just like it's not really worth it. You get a lot of people get caught up in this chop, so it's just best to stay out. Staying cash is a position, y'all. Remember that. Yo, what up, Angel? What's up, Ani? Martin, it's just like this is where I mark out my levels on the 5-minute. Usually, like where a price consistently taps and like reacts off of. But this 26,000 area right here is like a big rejection area. So we could see a push up there today because we're only 70 points away. But we just got to be careful for a rejection right there. So that's why we got to be cautious. We could see a nice break if we get momentum going. But we had news on Tuesday and Wednesday. So yesterday and Tuesday. And yeah, the market was moving pretty well, in my opinion. But today, there's no news today and no news tomorrow, so we might see some chop, in which it's doing right now. It's just like very slow, choppy. So if we don't see a trade, it is what it is. Scotty, I don't know the exact percentage. I gotta put it on my TradeZella journal. Can maybe make a video about that. See like my stats and RR. I haven't done that yet with these. What's up, Grizz? What's up, Baruto? Yeah, today is very choppy. No, we haven't took a trade yet on these accounts. Just chilling right now. It's very choppy right here. This is a bad chop. Angel, no, I'm gonna stay away from that. No trading silver. I'm only trading NQ. I like NQ. It's always worked. Yeah, if you guys want to check the stream delay, internet posted it a lot yesterday and this week. You can fix the delay so it won't like delay as much. But yeah, we're gonna be patient today. Not gonna force anything. Guys, we got 93 people joining in. Damn. Usually the time I get 93 people watching is like 45 minutes, an hour after I started the stream. I only started like 15 minutes ago, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Damn, that's a lot. Thank y'all. But yeah, we're being patient. No trading today. No trades yet today, I mean. Because it's just so choppy right here. Yeah, I heard silver is very volatile. Very volatile, they say. A lot of people get wrecked on it. But a lot of people make money on it, so I don't know. I'm just chilling off it. I'm trading NQ. I like NQ. Yeah, good morning, beautiful people. Thank y'all for tuning in. What's up, Dills? Yeah, Angel, I heard it's really bad. Hey, appreciate you, Internet. Guys, if there is a stream delay because of YouTube and all that, Internet posted in this comment section right now. If you want to fix the delay, it'll get you to about like 5 to 6 seconds delay. So thank you. Shout out to Internet, everyone. Vivian, yeah. I mean, yeah. A lot of people like live trading. A lot of people watch live trading. Nothing wrong with that. I've never live traded, so I got like 7,000 subscribers by just posting regular videos. But now we're posting regular videos consistently, shorts, and now we're doing the live streams Monday through Friday, which is nice. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, we're being very consistent with it. Yeah, I heard harsh. Yeah, it was pretty bad yesterday. Disciplined futures trader. I do not have a code with Apex. I don't. I have codes with other firms, but Apex, not right now. Yeah, they say like trading and or like finance, especially like money talk, it gets a lot. Save now. BWX. Yeah, I want to post more funny content too, like a little sense of humor and stuff. It's fun to do that. I like the I like the Giga Chad one. Here in my Lamborghini here, just made $1 million today. Gonna go buy my new Porsche GT3 RS and tour a new mansion here. Got my Rolex, had a nice steak dinner. Nice two trades, yeah. Yeah, that Chad face one was so funny. Oh man, I was laughing my ass off thinking that. Cause a lot of them look like that. They look like freaking Giga Chads, and sometimes they have like the tank tops and on, and they're like, "Yeah, here in Miami, in my beautiful penthouse, just made $50,000 today trading live in my super premium Discord." It's like, oh my god, we got one of these guys again. Shit, they got a green Lamborghini. Shit. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, Stefan is nice. Yeah, it's nice to see other people's perspective on that. Uh, Hardia, it depends on the firm. Some firms let you pass in a day, which is nice because you can just try and get it done and over with. But some firms you need like consistency, or you need to trade a certain amount of days. So it depends on the firm. Yeah, venture capital. Yeah, fully tatted. They love hitting the gym. Uh, they love they love they love drinking their energy drinks. All right, we're getting a little big red candle right here. We got a new 5 minute 20 seconds. Like I said, guys, we're not gonna force anything today because our goal is to A plus setup only, and if we win, we get a nice payout again. So anything daily above this $2,000. Look, it's end of day drawdown now, guys. The trailing stop. So we did the hardest parts, passing the challenge of getting past the trailing drawdown buffer. So now the next hardest part is just our new 5 minute. It's just keeping these accounts alive and growing them and taking consistent payouts. That's literally the next hardest part. Third and final step. Well, maybe the next step is like going to live. That'd be pretty cool. I haven't got a live account with TakeProfitTrader yet. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna say names, but dude, like I freaking my girlfriend's cousin, he's like 15 years old in high school, and then we were like hanging out like during Christmas time, and I was talking to him, and I'm like, oh blah blah blah, you been up to blah blah. He's like, oh, I just got into trading. I'm like, oh really? I'm like, oh blah blah blah. What are you like into? He goes, oh, I just started watching TJR's boot camp. I'm like, I literally was like, I'm not saying names. I'm not trying to cause hate, but I was like, oh my god. I was like, no, 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 no. It's like the astronaut. He's like, no, no. Get out of there. Yeah, we're in a lot of chop right here, so we're just being patient. Yeah, John. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader. You can have 5 live accounts, daily payouts, 90-10 profit split. Cat's got the zoomies. Yeah, I was like, oh my god. I was like, no, no. Oh yeah, yeah. He's been exposed a few times. Yeah, the Interstellar. No, no. Hey, it's like when you buy your first prop firm challenge and you're telling yourself to go back. No, it's like I already gone this far. I'm not going back now. Alicia, TakeProfitTrader on the funded above the buffer, Tradeify above the buffer on the select daily payout option. And then TradeDay, yeah, end of day drawdown. You can get your payout on your first day with a funded, but you need to trade 5 trading days in the challenge. So it's like same thing as like TakeProfitTrader, but it's end of day drawdown. But you can only have 3 funded accounts. Still nice. Yeah, I gotta teach him or something. I literally told him, I'm like, oh, I'm like, you ever heard of propfirms? He's like, no, what's that? I was explaining it to him. I was like, oh, I have a YouTube channel. He goes, oh, nice. He didn't even care. He was like, oh, I'm just gonna watch TJRs. I'm like, whatever, man. He'll figure it out. He's gonna learn some way. All right, I want to see maybe a bounce right here. This is a little bounce area right here, or a break down to the downside. We can maybe look. I want to see how price reacts to this level right here, this 887 area. This was a big bounce area right here, this 25,800 level right here, this 25,800. Yeah, internet, he's been popping off lately. I don't know how. Like, a lot of people are like watching him now. He's got millions of followers. Yeah, he makes a lot of gambling content. I'm like, oh my god. Dude, I wonder how much he's making off just like the sponsored deals off those gambling sites. Crazy. Garv, no trades yet today. We're being patient. Or it looks like it's like kind of bouncing right here again. Didn't quite touch it. I'd rather see like a tap right here. Stefan, yeah, trailing drawdown does suck. It does take some time getting used to, but end of the day drawdown is pretty nice, and a lot of firms are like that. Select accounts, John, because I like you could the 5-day option is basically like Top Step, and then the select payouts is kind of like, or the daily payouts is like, it's kind of like Take Profit, but you get moved to live after 5 payouts. So, and there's payout cap, so it is what it is. But I mean, they have Tradeify has a good live program. People are sleeping on that. 5 live accounts. I think it's a 90-10 split too. All right, new 5-minute. Yeah, he'll learn the hard way. Unfortunately, I tried telling him. Yeah, TradeDay's pretty legit. Oh yeah, guys, I should have told him to join my monthly description free premium Discord, 1 month free, and then if he likes it, he can pay me $300 a month. Oh, family discount, 1% off, family discount. Yeah, God boy, yeah, especially the younger generation, unfortunately. Like him, he's only 15. I'm like, he told me getting into trading, and he's like watching his boot camp. I'm like, oh my god. Hey, at least it's a start, but I'm like, hey, at least he's going to the gym. He's telling me he's going to the gym. I'm like, good shit, good on that. Yeah, Yeah, there's a lot of weirds. Yeah, Togi and Steve will do it. Dude, Togi popped off, but I used to watch his content. It was actually pretty entertaining, but I was like, it's like so degenerate behavior, but it was pretty freaking hilarious. I was like, oh my god. I think there was like a video like he like sold his chain and then put it all in on a roulette or some shit. I was like, jeez. Yeah, like a lot of people get confused with my trading, and it's completely fine. I understand that, but it's like they're like, "Oh, why would you do that? You should do this." I'm like, "Dude, what works for me works for me. Like, what works for you works for you. Like, everyone's different." That's the cool thing about trading. There is so many different strategies, different mindsets, different levels. Like the way I say levels, you know, everyone's different. That's the whole beautiful thing about trading. Everyone's different, unique in their own way. No, JCap, I respect JCap. He's good. No, he's very progressive. Party, yeah. This and YouTube, pretty much my job. Garv, same accounts, same accounts. We took a withdrawal yesterday, so remember we could take daily withdrawals, and if we profit daily on these 5 accounts. Got a $3,650 payout yesterday, very nice. And if we make a profit again, we could take another payout tonight. Very awesome. Bardia, just like learning from your mistakes, getting better. All that stuff. 1% better, learning your mistakes. What are you doing wrong? If you're blowing accounts a lot, size down. It depends. It's kind of like, you know, I need to know what you're struggling with. Next week, payout video next week. What's up, Justine, right? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, guys, we're being very patient today. It's okay. Cash is a position. It's very choppy. Maybe a bounce right here, but it didn't quite come up. That's why I didn't take it. Orin, that's actually a good question. I know with the withdrawal, there's no fees if you request anything above like $250 total. So like $50 account, I think. Well, after the fee, so maybe like 60 or 65. When on the withdrawal request, because if you withdraw anything to your bank that's under $250, they charge you a $50 fee, which is crazy. So if you do withdraw anything above $250, new 5-minute, it doesn't charge you a fee. Venture capital, okay, yeah, I'll look into that. Yeah, maybe I can add a chat box. I don't know where to put it on stream. Maybe around here. Alright, new 5 minutes. See where it wants to go. Yeah, Trader Bob. A lot of people like hop oh my god, hop trading strategies. Jeez, that was a tongue twister. Hop trading strategies, and yeah, they get wrecked a lot because they're constantly like switching everything and all that. You just gotta find a system that works for you. Come on, Abardia. If you have a full-time job, that's good. Like, honestly, if you're just starting out trading, it's very important to have income coming in. It's a lot less stressful. It keeps your mind off trading. And that's what I was doing. I had, like, the shoe business, and I had money coming in from that. And then I also had a buffer from the shoes because I was doing it full-time for 3 years. Made good money on it. And then, yeah, I built a nice buffer and cushion. Golf Boy, I will trade micros if it's very volatile. Like, I'll switch down to micros. But if, like, right now I've been doing on the challenges and funded. Knock on wood, I've been doing good with one mini. Alright, I want to see either a bounce right here or a break down to the downside. But it's just acting really funny. Thanks for watching the live, man. Yeah, I could maybe make a video on the strategy. I just do simple strategies. Nothing crazy. Yeah, Bardia, the time zone, yeah, London. I like New York, but yeah, a lot of people can't trade New York because they have a job, and I totally get that. But yeah, the Asia session in UK, it's London. I don't like it in my opinion. Works for people, a lot of people, but I don't know. I like New York. But you gotta find out like a good time slot that works for you. You can start them anytime, Retro Rich, anytime. Yeah, MJ. Hopefully soon, but I mean the core plan is already cheap. $77 all in, no activation fee. That's like a really cheap, honestly. Cause like these TakeProfitTrader, yeah, they're $102 after the discount. But then you can get $77, no activation fee, 5 accounts, so it's a pretty good deal right away. It's cheaper than Top Step, the no activation fee one. They're probably like one of the cheapest actually now I think about it. Alright, I wanna see a bounce right here. We got a new 5-minute and a minute 30. See a bounce right here or a break, but we're just in this range. Yeah, I like the moon strat. Motri, trailing drawdown is like just taking base hits, trailing your winners, being cautious, stuff like that. Tommy, I made more from that. Because I did it for 3-4. Alright, I want to see a nice break to the downside if we can catch some momentum. But I want to see, but we actually got a 5 minute, so I'm worried about a bounce right here. This is what I'm worried about, but I'm liking like a nice staircase down. But we got a new 5 minute and 30 seconds, so I want to see where it wants to close. Tommy, I live with my girlfriend. We have like a studio apartment. Yeah, internet, Lucid. I mean, yeah, that MyFundedFutures core is really cheap, honestly. $77 all in price, no activation fee. It's like one of the cheapest out there. Even cheaper than Apex because of the freaking activation fees. So that's a really good deal, y'all. I'm not lying. It's a good deal. You could get 5 accounts too, 500. All right, new 5 minute right here. I want to see where it wants to go. What I don't want to see is like just like a wick and then come back right back into this top range. I want to see a nice breakout to the downside if we get momentum. But yeah, it looks like it's falling right back into the range, kind of. I don't know. It looks a little sketch. OG Beats, there's nothing wrong with 10 micros, honestly. I like it because you can also trim. It's very nice that you could trim on that, which I like. But I don't know. I just like one mini. Just get in, full out, get in, get out. Nothing wrong with micros. Yeah, I mean, we might see some bear action. I just need to see a nice break to the downside. It's starting to bounce right here. Look, don't like that. That's what I was worried about. Yeah, Stefan agree. Yeah, guys, all right, nice break. Now we're getting a nice little momentum right here. Guys, yeah, strategies do play a role, but risk management, trade management and emotional control is far superior than a perfect golden strategy, like straight up. Like you could have the best strategy in the best strategy in the world. It's literally how you manage your risk. You give two traders the same exact strategy, the same exact entry. One will make a lot more than the other one. I guarantee you that. It's literally how you manage everything. Yeah, this is what I like. A nice breakout to the downside. I didn't like how it's coming back up here. That's why I didn't want to take the trade, but we're getting nice breakout to the breakout of this range. Very choppy range the last hour and a half. So, yeah, we want to get a break out of this range right here. Yeah, the 50K Lucid, $71. That's cheap. 50K account. Orin, I like both. They're good. I haven't tried Rapid, but it's basically like the same thing as TakeProfitTrader. But now they have a 90-10 split, so it's nice. So if you're trading the 50Ks with the Rapid on MyFundedFutures, I think it's really nice because you could have 5 copy traded at a time. You can only have 3 copy traded on the 100 and 150K, which sucks, but 5 50Ks copy traded, 90-10 profit split. It is trailing drawdown, so just be wary about that. Yeah, they upped it to 90-10 profit split, so you get better percentage-wise if you're trading 5 50Ks. Yeah, True Trades, the activation fees, yeah, they're pretty high. Like, people get caught up in, like, the 90% off $20, which is cheap. But then they end up paying, like, a $80 or $100, $120 activation fee. So, you're kind of paying a lot, especially if you're copy trading a lot. It adds up. Yeah, John, yeah, minis do have less commission. Because, like, on these accounts, I pay, like, a $5... I think it's, like, a $5 commission per mini. Like, it's just, like, a flat rate. Which is... It's nice. $5. Yeah, it's literally just how you manage your risk, guys. Like, you could have, like, the best profit firm, but it's like, if you trade bad with them, you're not going to get paid and you're going to blow the account, right? It's just how you, like, manage your risk and trade and do good. Yes, sir. West Coast, NorCal. Yeah, I like the time zone. It's nice. Alright, nice breakout to the downside right here. We got a new 5-minute in 35 seconds. Finally breaking out this range. I really like that. Alright, new 5-minute. Let's see where it wants to close. Guys, we have the most viewers ever watching right now, so thank you all for watching. 137 people. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want free live streams Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. PST. That's the most live stream viewers we had in the stream at once. That's pretty awesome. So appreciate y'all. Yeah, that's the most we ever got. Shit. Monday was the highest at like 130 or something. Alright, liking this now. It's making staircasing down. I really like that for a short, but want to wait for a nice entry to enter on. Guys, we're being patient, so sorry if it's boring. We're practicing patience and good risk management and being disciplined. No trades yet today because it's just chopping around and we want to stay out of this just bad cock-a-poo-poo chop. 145 people now. Damn. Yeah, Nvidia is kind of in an upward trend right now. But sometimes they diverge from each other, which is nice. Because it moves independently. It just depends. Yeah, Kieran, the trade day is nice because the end of the day drawdown on the funded. They have a trailing drawdown version, but I don't recommend that. I'd rather just pay a little more and get end of day drawdown. It's a lot less stressful, y'all. You get what you paid for, honestly. Internet, yeah, that's the plan, yeah. My brother told me, he's like, if you consistently keep streaming every day, daily, you'll consistently get like 500 to 1,000 viewers a few months from now or something. Yeah, we're just like slowly increasing the viewers, which is very nice. I like to see that. Guys, we're at 149. Damn, that's a lot. That's a lot of people. So, yeah, thank you all. Yeah, just ain't right. Yeah, patience is key. Like, I don't care if it's boring for y'all. We're not just going to jump in machine gun for entertainment and then blow these accounts that we've worked so hard for. We're going to practice good patience, good discipline, sniper precise A+ entry. There's no reason to force it, especially on this slow, choppy price action. There's no news today, no news tomorrow. We had news on Tuesday and Wednesday, and it had nice candles. But today, right now, it's really choppy. So, I mean, staying cash is a position, y'all. Jordan, I haven't had any problems with Tradovate now. But I don't use TradingView, so I can't really speak on that. Yeah, thank you, Stefan. Yeah, appreciate you. YouTube, I just get like ad revenue, nothing crazy. Honestly, guys, I do not make a lot of money from YouTube, like the actual ad revenue. Like the actual ad revenue, I only make like, I'm not complaining, some nice money, but I make like, on a good month, $300 to $400 a month just on the YouTube ad revenue. It's not a lot. It's nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? I just use it, like just like a reward for myself or something, or just stack it, invest it. But like when I wasn't posting consistently, I was only making like $200 a month from the ad revenue. Damien, yeah, guys, we missed the live stream yesterday. We got our first payout of the year, $3,652 on the dot. Pretty nice. Yeah, that's a pretty good damn payout. I'm happy with that. After the fees on the 5 accounts. Yeah, hopefully YouTube doesn't ban me. I mean, I'm a real person. I'm not AI. It's like, are you a robot? It's like, hell no. MJJ, yeah, if you let your dopamine going, because like a lot of people get trading, it's like same thing, kind of like they get like a rush and like a thrill from like trading, and they're just constantly in a trade. And I used to be like that sometimes, which is really bad. You don't want to be like that. And that promotes really bad trading behavior, addiction, bad habits, over trading, revenge trading. Because you just want to keep hearing the order filled, right? And you just kind of like black out, and then you just kind of like you forget where you are. So just be careful. Like MJJ, like honestly, just like 1 to 3 trades max a day. Try that, and whatever you are, break even, loss, win, whatever you are after 3 trades at max, you're done. Yeah, it's like a reward. Yeah, $300 to $400. Yeah, on a good month, I'll make $300 to $400 off ad revenue. It's not a lot. I mean, it's nothing crazy really. It's like a nice reward. Yeah, we got 160 people in the live, y'all. Thank y'all for joining. Make sure to like and subscribe Monday through Friday. Live streaming for free. This is the most views we ever got on stream. We're just being patient. No trades yet. It's very choppy, very bad price action. So I don't know. Even if we don't take a trade, it is what it is. Yeah, a lot of people get like chopped up in this. User 100%. Guys, this is really testing your patience and willpower right here. Like, look at this. Like, even if we got a nice breakout, look, we're only up 15 points at our peak, and then look, it's coming right back to the entry, so it's really bad. Hey, thank you, Bree, for watching. Yep, that was a nice day. Very good stream yesterday. Yeah, we're kind of just in this range. It's coming back near the 26,000 areas again. We had a big sell-off yesterday, but it kind of recovered. But we're just back in this weird range area. And this 26,000 area is like a big rejection area, so we're just being careful. But it looks like it's already falling down. But this price action is a true testament of willpower. Yeah, John, I like range trading. Like, yesterday's range was perfect because we were only risking 10, 15, 20 points on a trade. And then we were catching, like, 40, 50 point plays. So, it was a nice risk to reward playing off that range. Yesterday was a good range for me, in my opinion. That was a good range. Hey, nice job, Lewis. 5 core accounts. 500, that's good. Lock it in. Well, right now we're just chopping a range right now. Like, we had nice shorts yesterday and shorts on Tuesday, but like today it's just straight up chop. Look at this. Literally, market open right here. Look, this is market open. Like, this is really, really. This is tilting. Yeah, we got a lot of people here today, Isaac. It's a lot of people, yeah. Yeah, guys, remember, cash is a position. It took me a long time to realize that. Protecting your capital. Why would we do dumb shit and start machine gunning and trying to make a profit when we don't see anything that doesn't follow our plan? We're promoting bad trading behavior, bad habits. We don't want to do that. Hey, what up, Too Old to Trade? Yeah, internet, it was like, guys, yesterday's range was perfect. It was literally bouncing right at the bottom. I did not like a bounce because the overall trend was still down, but it was like rejecting right off that top area too. Just like perfect entries, perfect range yesterday. See you later tomorrow, Rich. See you tomorrow, brother. $25.85. Yeah. The only thing I'm worried about is that it might come back up to here in this part of the range. That's the only thing I'm worried about. But I want to see like a break to the downside, honestly. But we got a new 5-minute right here. Yeah, guys, cash is a position. Cash is a trade, y'all. We're protecting our mental and financial capital right here. Yeah, Rambo, we've been in this kind of this weird range right here. This weird range the last week. Yeah, it looks like it's coming. And the thing is, it's like, if we caught that breakout, yeah, at our peak we're up 15 points, but then look, it would come right back to our entry. There's like no momentum. I mean, who knows? We've seen some big moves around this time. It just comes out of nowhere. Like last Friday was like really bad chop too, and then we finally caught a nice momentum, new 5-minute candle to the upside, caught a nice 30-point play. We just gotta be patient. That's the key. That's really the key. $8.97. Hey, thank you, internet. Right here. Yeah, Luis. Yep, we're back. We're posting main YouTube videos, live streams, shorts. We're active on Instagram. If you guys want to join our Discord free community, we hit 1,000+ members yesterday. I think we're like 1,025 or so today. 1,026 something. We're over 1,000, y'all. So free Discord. Growing as a community together, one day at a time. OPEX is tomorrow. Yeah, Nate, honestly, yeah, take it slow. You're up 750 on the day, like last week on my challenges, like $500 a day, locked it in. You need to trade 5 days anyway, so there's no reason to try to force it, especially on a day like this. And if you're up 750, that's a great day on to like a day like this. Yeah, lock it in. No, I don't. I do not watch anime. Yeah, if you guys profit today, that's a great day, honestly. Like, on a price action like this is like, a lot of people will get caught up in this. This is like, really bad price, honestly, in my opinion. I like range trading. Like, yesterday's range was nice, and we played some nice range last week. Nice 30, 50-point plays. Like, 40-pointers, too. But, like, this is not a good range. This is, like, very bad. This is chop. Look, it's coming right back down here. Like, I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, Lucid has some nice deals. I think they had like 35% off on the Flex on like the 25 and 50K accounts. They're pretty nice. Alright, price coming back down here. That's kind of a bigger candle for right now. I don't know. We got a new 5-minute in 15 seconds. We'll see where it wants to go. But yeah, guys, we're just staying cash right now. No trades yet today. No reason to force it. Patience is the key. Patience pays. I love that. Patience pays. Alright, new 5-minute.
Order filled.
Alright, very small risk on this trade. I'm just going to risk like that. I want to see a push up to the highs right here today. Can be a little risky. That's for having a tighter stop, but I want to see a nice push up to the upside right here. It's just chopping around, and then this is a bounce area right here, so I want to see this break right here at this 25,880 level. But if we get stopped, that's all good. We have a tight stop, but yeah, this is really chop, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll let it play out. Faye, I recommend 5 micros to a mini on NQ is pretty good. I think that's okay. It depends on like how much your stops are and like your risk management and all that as well. So for me, I usually do like 10-15 point stop losses, but it depends how fast market is moving. All right, nice push right here. Like to see that. We're gonna lower our stop, lower our risk a little bit. Don't want to get caught in this chop right here, but kind of trail our winner. These are end of day drawdown accounts, y'all. So these were trailing at first, but remember, we got them past the buffer yesterday. We got a $3,600 payout, and if we make a profit today, we can request that. Very nice. But they're end of day drawdown accounts. Yeah, this is a shit fill. Honestly, I'm not lying. This is a pretty bad fill. I'd rather get a fill at like 66. That'd have been a way better fill. God, so gross. I shouldn't even have taken this trade, honestly. It's just so slow. I should have probably locked out at $100, honestly. Bree, I only trade NQ. I'm just sticking to NQ. I'm not gonna trade silver. I heard a lot of horror stories with that. That one. Especially as of recently with the volatility. Oh my goodness. Might get stopped out right here. We got a tight stop. This is a bad trade, honestly. This was a bad trade.
Order filled.
Straight caca-poo-poo, guys. That was straight caca-poo-poo. That was 100% on me. That was a horrible trade. Horrible entry. Horrible fill. Oh, God. Hey, we made $45, though. Hey, $45? That is a nice freaking steak dinner right there, y'all. Alright, 45. If we take this payout, guys, that's $180 on the day. I mean, we're like, what, an hour worth of work? $45? Shit. Yeah, that guys, that was a shit trade. That was honestly a shit trade. Shouldn't have done that. Yeah, I'm staying away from silver, y'all. I'm only trading NQ. All right, we gotta do 5 minutes in 5 seconds. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, our cousin, we learned from our mistakes. We gotta learn the hard way. Like, a better fill would have been right here, like this 865 for a bounce. I got filled really bad. I entered way too late. I mean, $45. I mean, if we really wanted to, I mean, $180. Yeah, that was long. That was a horrible trade. Let's all get. Yeah, this is like the same price action as Friday, where it just like consolidated in this tiny, crappy range. But we stayed patient and waited for a breakout in a direction of this area, and we caught a nice long. We caught the momentum on the way up. Luis, no, that is true. Yeah, I like $180. I mean, yeah, like this people like $180 payout. That's like a full day's worth of work for them, like 8-hour shift. And it's like I don't know. Our trader mind is like $45 payout. Like, what is $45? You know, but 45 times 5, you know, after the fees, that's $180. I mean, that's a nice, guys. We need to humble ourselves right now, guys. We need to humble ourselves. Even if we take this payout and we're happy, I'm not saying this is the last trade of the day. I don't know. If we see another good setup, but that was a bad trade. But let's put it in perspective. For groceries, for my girlfriend and I, for a month is about $400 to $500. $400 to $500 worth of groceries will last us about a month. So think about it. That's like 2 weeks worth of food. 2 weeks worth of food I just made in an hour. Think about it. Yeah, that's two. I just made 2 weeks worth of food in 1 hour. Think about it. All right, we got a new hour candle in 3 minutes, but I want to see a break out of this area. This is really crap. Yeah, thankfully, I have two furry kids. I got 2 cats, so their food and stuff is about $100 a month. Nothing crazy. I'll gladly pay that any day for those little munchkins. All right, we're getting a nice breakout here, but I don't really like it, honestly. We need more momentum. Hey, we got a lot of people saying short and a lot of people saying long. Hey, let's start a poll. Where are we going, everyone? Where are we going, y'all? Where are we going, everyone? We're going to the moon. Yeah, internet. Yeah, about $100. All right, nice breakout to the downside. We're getting nice momentum. I want to see where the next hour candle close. Be right back. Get some more water. All right, we're back. All right, new hour candle 20 seconds ago. Donation to bears. Emil, you really got bears going. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Like, the perspective is like, with money, is like, my perspective of like money is like so skewed with when I started trading, because I'm like I just made $1,000 in 5 minutes. You know, it's like $1,000 in 5 minutes. That's like 5 days, 8-hour shifts every day to get that for a lot of people. Crazy. My voice. I should be in the Tradovate sound lab. I'll do the order filled, stop filled, order canceled. Tradovate, sign me up now. Sponsor this channel. Hey, peace out, Luis. Thank you for joining in. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, Happy New Year, everyone. That's what I'm saying, John. Like, these small numbers add up quick, y'all. We're sleeping on that. Like, these 5 TakeProfitTrader accounts. Like, yeah, like, we got $180 locked in if we stop, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, Mohammed, you can copy trade at 5. You can copy trade 20 with Apex if there are Apex. You can copy trade like any number, really, as long as you have the accounts on the firm. Yeah, this is kind of weird. I don't like this. Look at this price action. It like rips down, makes a new low, comes back up, rips a new low, and comes right back up. This is very tricky. Very tricky price action, honestly. Yeah, I thought about changing my like wake up alarm to like order filled, order filled, order filled. Yeah, like fuck. Yeah, imagine we have Morgan Freeman freaking on commentating for Tradovate. His voice is pretty calming too. Hey, perp, dun dun dun, dun 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 dun. Hey, we start playing the COD music and you see like Nasdaq starting to rally and stuff and getting momentum. It's like NQ loves the Modern Warfare music. Yeah, it's a lot of money. Mohammed, for copy trading on Tradovate, you need to do them manually. You need to do buy and sell orders manually, unfortunately. I don't know why they haven't fixed that. They should have fixed that a long time ago. Yeah, they really should have fixed that. What the heck? Alright. New minute, 5 minute and 1 minute. Alright, we're getting a little aggressive candle right here. See how it reacts to this area right here. Stop filled. Damn, y'all. Hey, y'all, we have 171 people watching right now. God bless y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. You guys want free live streams Monday through Friday. Like I said, just like and subscribe. Keep them going for y'all for free. 170, that is peak. That is actually a lot of people, so appreciate y'all. Yeah, internet. Is that the Modern Warfare 2 music I hear? Starts rallying, breaking the highs, 26,000. He's like, oh man, we are long, baby. Alright, new 5 minute in 3 seconds. Zero wants to close. This is tricky. Like, I don't know if it's just gonna come back up and then fall back shorter and fall back down, or is it just gonna fall back into this top range? Kind of tricky, honestly. This price action is really testing our patience. Hey, thank you, Venture Capital. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, it really opened my eyes with when I found out about propfirms. At first I completely thought it was a scam. Like, oh, it's all fake shit. Don't get in. Because my brother was telling me about it. Because I was trading options, and I was like, and I hated the IV crush. I hated the theta decay. All this stuff you have to worry about. You have massive swings, and then I was trading 0 DTEs sometimes, you know, which is really risky. And I'd have these massive swings, and then near the end, my brother was trading with, he was trading with FTMO at the time because he had back then they could trade in the U.S. and then I found out about futures propfirms, and then I found out about Top Step, and then I started doing research. I thought it was a complete scam, but I was like, fuck it, I'll buy one account. Worst case, I lose $150, you know. And here we are today, y'all. Here we are today. Money Dash, very bad first trade, but we still managed to get out at $45 profit, so I'll gladly take it. It was very choppy price action today, guys. Gothboy, yeah, we're here. We're still hey, I'm still standing. Yeah. We're still here. We're still growing. We're getting better every single day. That's what it's all about. Yeah, those 0 DTE days, I was like, oh my god. Nvidia on a Friday. Oh man. I cut some massive plays on the options days. Oh man. I don't even know how I was doing it. I was literally trading from my freaking phone. Full porting my whole Robinhood account. It was complete degenerate behavior on a 0 DTE play. Yeah, I like futures because I feel like it's very realistic trading, honestly, because the price moves. If it comes back to break even, you get stopped out at break even. But on an options play, if it moves around, goes crazy, and you get stopped out at your entry, you could still you lost money because of all the theta decay, Ivy crush, all that stuff. That's why when people trade earnings, I'm like, dude, that's like pure gambling, honestly, in my opinion. Like straight earnings, it's like straight gambling. All right, getting a nice push up to the upside right here. But we're just being patient. Don't need to go crazy. Kenji, we're back now. We're being consistent. Mohammed, it's up to you. I like both. Quantower is very nice. I like Quantower. Quantower is good. But I like Tradovate. I just been trading on it. I like it. It works, so might as well. Yeah, that's a good ROI, internet. Shit, that's like almost a 20%, 20x gain right there. All right, I want to see a reject right here or like a break up to the upside. We got a new 5-minute. I want to see where it closes. All right, new 5-minute.
Order filled.
We're going to try to break out long here. It might be a little risky, honestly, but we'll see. We need momentum right here. Catch this new 5-minute momentum, but overall, it's trending upward right now, which I like. But I'm going to be cautious on this one. I'm going to have a tighter stop. We get stopped out. 10 points. It's all good. Nothing crazy. Yeah, this is really bad price. I shouldn't even be trading this, honestly. But maybe we can get a nice break to the upside. I think everyone just loves everyone loves Tradovate, and especially the freaking order filled sounds, like on like the shorts. Oh, we got stopped out. We're gonna get stopped. That was an aggressive pullback. But everyone loves that order filled sound. I love it too. It's like order filled. I know it's kind of addicting.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out right there. That was a. There's just no momentum right here. There's really not a lot of movement right here. Just damn, coming down aggressively. This is very tricky price action right here. Order filled. Oh, the one I hate was that one. Stop filled. I'm like fuck. Damn, moving right down here. Wow, look at that sell-off. See, good thing we had a tighter stop right there, like 10-point stop. And yeah, if we had a wider stop, like we would have got wrecked right there. Down 170 bucks on the day, nothing crazy. Yeah, good thing we had a stop right there, y'all. Nice, Emil. Nice. Hey, Emil is very bearish today. Extremely bearish. Dabda, yeah. You just literally hit mute. You're like, I am not dealing with this today. Yeah, Faye, this is really chop. This is really, really chop. Yeah, there's no reason to force it. Because, like, this is what it's doing. It's just going down, up, down, up. And it looks like it's coming back down, but I don't know. Drop that shit on me. Oh, that's funny. Oh, man. Yeah, this is very tricky, tricky price. Got a new 5-minute and a minute right now. Fucking Bruce Lee. Oh, man. Yeah, it's definitely, yeah. Yeah, it's bad. Get PTSD from that. Alright, new 5-minute in 6 seconds. Yep. Yeah, Faye, I got my finger on the left trigger too. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. We got 39% saying going up. We got 61% going down. Alright. We need like a clearer direction, honestly. Yeah, strategy hopping is really bad. Ollie, I honestly have no idea right now. It's kind of like right in the middle of like today's price. Like, look at this. This is a market open right here. We're literally just stuck right in the middle of this range. Yeah, cash is a position, y'all. Took one very small win, 2 points, and a 10-point stop. So we're down 170 on the day, nothing crazy. But this price action is very, very tilting. That is true. That is true, Dab. That is very true. Yeah, we're going to stay cash right here for now. Yeah, Trader Bob. A lot of people will get caught up in this. I got caught up in it. These are bad trades by me, especially that first trade. This second trade, I like the idea of a breakout to the upside, but there was literally no momentum and it just fell right back into the range. And good thing we had a 10-point stop, because we would have got stopped out more if we had like a 15, 20 pointer. But good thing we had a tighter stop right here. This is very willpower testing. Yeah, Charming, that's the best route. If it's acting funny on the platform or glitching, like, yeah, best to stay out, honestly. And good thing you did today, because this is very bad price action. Yeah, it happens, man. Yeah, because, like, this market opening, like... Like, this is a horrible range. This is not even, like, it's just chop, so... It's very inconsistent. So... Yeah. Yeah, Emil, we'll just trade out one micro just to stop the itch. We got like an itch to be in a trade. So we can hear the order filled, we just do like one micro. Mike, the core plan, I don't think there's a buffer rule on the funded. I think you could just request 50% of your profits, or whatever it is. So, yeah, if you make $3,000 on your funded account in the core, yeah, you can take a $1,500 withdrawal. It's pretty nice. After the fees, you get like $1,200. Alright, guys, last Friday, same crappy price action, but we stayed calm and patient and waited for a nice move in a direction, and we caught a nice 30-point play. Then we passed these accounts. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Soxon, maybe, yeah. Maybe take a nap. I'll keep trading to... I'll stay with you guys till 11 o'clock. I like this schedule. Stream for 2 hours a day. 9 to 11 a.m. PST. I like that. So if we don't take a trade, we can just end on a small loss, honestly, because if we don't see another clean setup, because, like, honestly, if I do see another clean setup, it would just be, like, one more trade and it'd be, like, absolutely done, whatever it is, if I do see a setup. But, like, right now, it's, like, it's really bad. Yeah, this is really bad price. So if we stay cash for the stream, I'll be fine with that. Yeah, I really took a small loss. Like, there's only $170 down on the day. Guys, we should have locked in that $45 payout per account. That's $180. That is literally groceries for 2 weeks. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Can't hate on yourself. Can't play the what-if game. The what-if game is stupid. It's irrelevant. You just learn from it and move on. All right, let's see if it wants to finally break out of here or reject. I think it might reject, honestly, because this is a straight chop. And yeah, we're just playing off this rejection or something. It happens, user. Yeah, days like this is definitely testing our patience. Yeah, 100%, John. Like, we had a great week last week and this week, and we got a payout, and we got these at the buffer, which is nice. So yeah, how can you complain? Faye, you just did a group copy trade. I have the link in my description for the video if you want to do that. It's the same thing as eval. You do a group trade. I have a video tutorial on it. Yeah, Dab, this is very... Look at this. This is not a good range. This is a horrible, crappy range. Some caca poo poo stuff. Mike, risk management with all that is good. I mean, if you have like a 1 to 2 RR and you're properly managing your risk and you have like a 60% win rate, that's pretty damn good. You know? It happens, Chino. Yeah, I think Tradovate has that lock button or something. Faye, yeah, you can do it. You can trade evals, no problem. Yeah, Faye, you can trade evals, funded, whatever. Yeah, Mike, like we were talking about yesterday, it's just learning to have like a daily loss limit or a set amount of trades on a day, and then like managing your risk on that. Like, cause like I used to do that too, where I would do like consistently good for a few days or weeks, and then I just blow up on one day. Like a day like today, I get very tilted and get annoyed and start over leveraging, and then it's like, why? It's like you can literally work on it tomorrow with way better price action, way better movement, and way better setups. So, Mike, it's just like learning about it and like understanding like don't blow up on those days. Mike, if you don't blow up on those days, imagine how far you'd have gone further. Yeah, TMX, like, yeah, this is definitely a day to stay out. Like rejecting off here again, kinda. But it's moving so slow, so breakouts are failing, really. We can't really get a breakout, so it's just really bad chop. Faye, are you hitting like are you hitting like you're in the group? You need to make sure you click this. Because right now it's only traded by itself, but if I hit the group again, now it's traded in the group. Ani, yeah, we just took 2 trades, one very small win and one 10-point loss. It's really tricky right here. It's just chopping. We're just testing our patience right now. Yeah, Patrick, only the 5 minute. Faye, right here, you see this? It says account group. You need to manage a group and create an account. Then make sure you click on the group. Because right now, if I click off of it, look, it's only traded by itself. I know you can't see the thing, but it's only traded by itself. But when I click on the group, now it's traded on the group. So now it's group trading. We're just focusing on other firms right now. Yeah, the only thing with Tradovate, yeah, you can't bracket or with the frickin' copy trading. Yeah, Mike, it's good to take days off and then laugh and just have a good time and forget about trading. And it also helps. Like before I started trading in the new year, like on Monday last week, was my first time trading in like 2 weeks. I took a nice 2 week break at the end of the year. It was very nice. It was like mentally refreshing and everything. Yeah, I don't know why Tradevate hasn't added that yet. Honestly, it shouldn't be that hard to add. Like literally, Quantower and them have that. 974. Yeah, we're just being patient, y'all. This is really. Really bad. Yeah, Dadro, they are owned by the same company, yeah. Alright, new 5 minute in 20 seconds. This is so making me yawn. Damn. Alright, new 5 minute, 10:30 candle. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, breaking the level up here, right here. Oliver, the payout cap on the TakeProfitTrader, it's like, you can't make, if you make 10K in a day, then they move you to live. But if you make they don't have a payout cap really. If you just take daily consistent withdrawals, then the risk team, if the risk team likes that, then they'll move you to live or something. But I don't think there's like an actual like payout cap number. Yep, thank you, Stefan, for joining. I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Prop trader, end of day drawdown will be Tradeify select and then TradeDay end of day. You can get payouts on day one with the end of day drawdown account, which is pretty nice. I think they're the only two firms that do that with end of day drawdown. Yeah, Alicia, this is very bad price action. Yes, sir, prop trader. Anytime. Yeah, if you guys got any questions or comments or whatever, I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Sorry, this stream is a little slow today. Price action is very, very choppy. So, took one basically break-even trade. It was only 2 points. But, yeah, we took a 10-point stop. It's just really range-bounding the whole day. We have no news today and no news tomorrow. And I think that's why it's kind of choppy. For today, because we had news yesterday and Wednesday, and we had some nice bigger moves. But we're getting a little break up to the upside right here. I got a new 5 minute and 20 seconds. Yep. Alright, I got a new 5 minute. But what it's been doing is going in a direction and doing like aggressive pullbacks and then like coming back down, but now it's like breaking back up. So we'll see. It is kind of making a staircase up. You guys see this right here? But the thing is, there's like no momentum like for a breakout really today. Because like with the breakouts, it would literally just go up, they come right back down and then like stop us out or something. Yeah, this might be it for today, honestly. We'll see. FX, TradeDay, MyFundedFutures, Core and Pro, Tradeify, Alpha, Lucid. Hey, internet. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some freaking eggs after this or something. Gonzalez, yeah, there's a big difference. The rapid account is trailing drawdown, which is like the TakeProfitTrader accounts. The pro is end of day accounts, and then the rapid is daily payouts. See, look, it's coming right back down here. I don't yeah. The rapid is daily payouts, and trailing drawdown, but the pro is, what is it called? The pro is end of day, but you get a payout every 14 calendar days. But you can run up a bigger balance if you wanted. So, if you want consistent daily payouts, go with the rapid. If you want like bigger payouts, you don't mind waiting 2 weeks, then go with the pro. Yeah, Mike, that's why I also like futures accounts. They're way cheaper. I don't bother with Forex. I just like futures. The CFD ones are really expensive. Yeah, I like ramen. Yeah, I fuck with ramen. Ramen with some like a hard boiled egg and stuff. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. Mike, there's also like less rules, less restrictions, better fills. Honestly, futures is like way better. Way better futures. Like, I don't know why people are like so like, oh my god, I gotta go with Forex. It's like, why? It's like, just go with futures. Guys, we're literally watching paint dry right now. We literally painted the wall, and we're just watching it dry. That's literally what we're doing. Faye, I would go with the select, and it depends. If you're a consistent, disciplined trader and you want slightly bigger payouts, then I would go with the flex. But if you're like, you notice you blow up really quick, or you just want to get quick payouts, go with this daily. They have cat payouts on both, but the flex is a little higher. I mean, on 50K, I think it's a $1,500 payout, which is still pretty good. If you have 5 accounts, that's $7,500 minus the 10% fee. Yep. Yeah, that's why I like futures. It's a lot better. New 5-minute right now in 2 seconds. God, dude, that's moving so slow. Damien, yeah, I was thinking about that. I want to get a couple more payouts with these accounts and then slowly build it. So that's my plan. I want to get some payouts for more payouts. So we got a nice $3,600 one yesterday. That's very nice. And then, what is it? Over time, when I get a few more payouts, my plan is to kind of build a little buffer while still taking payouts. So maybe take 50% of the payout, and then the other half build as a buffer. I think is a good idea. So that way we're bringing money into us, and then we're also building the accounts for longevity. Yeah, Chai, honestly, if you're up on today, that is a win. Yeah, guys, if you guys are up on today, freaking call it, honestly. Even if you're down, I would call it. Look. Look at this. Yeah, this is a good day to practice discipline and patience. Faye, yeah, this and YouTube is my job, basically. Look, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Damien, just call it, yeah. Come back next week, refresh, have a nice 3-day weekend, relax, take your mind off the charts. Nice, R. Yeah, it happens. I FOMO'd into the first trade today. Cat adventure, yeah. Lock it in. That's a good day. Speaking of cats, the cat just jumped up right here. Big ol' honcho right here. Mike, 100%. It's a lot less risky. It's a lot less risky with propfirms, honestly. They're a great way to start. The time to move to a live is when you're consistently doing good. You got payouts. You build a nice cushion. You got money to work with from your payouts where you could fund your live account. You're very disciplined. You follow your rules. Then yeah, if you want to take that step, go to a live account. Yeah. Gonzalez Futures family. I haven't really bothered with them, honestly, especially with Danny's trades. But I haven't heard any bad things like payout wise, so I haven't heard any denial. So I don't know. I haven't traded with them, so I can't speak on that. It just gets how Danny was involved, and he was like exposed a few times for faking PNLs and all that stuff. FundedX looks pretty good. Probably get accounts with them soon. I haven't gamed in a while. Y'all. So, yeah, if you guys have any game recommendations, maybe I can check it out. Series, The Chosen was really good. I finished that a few months ago. The Chosen was a really good series. I really like that. With Jesus Christ, that was a good, very good show. Very good show. Really felt like you were there. I really liked Day of the Jackal. That was a very good series. It was only one season though, but apparently there's a new season coming out near the end of this month and stuff like that, so hopefully we'll see that. IMK, you can look up copy trading or how many accounts you can have, and it should be on their FAQ. Yeah, the drama right there. I stay out. Mike, yeah, the percentage of propfirm traders is very low for actually passing the account, and actually getting the payout is even lower, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, and then I remember when Patrick Whelan posted that video, I was like, holy shit. I was like, holy man. Yeah, I even exposed the crap out of him too. The 100 show? Might have to check it out. Oh, nice. Internet. Yeah, it was a very good show. I really liked it, honestly. It was a very good show. Yeah, what other show are you guys watching right now? I'm trying to find a new show series right now. Oh, man. I used to play Fallout back in high school. Fishing Planet, huh? Silo's good. Is that on Netflix? Fishing Planet, I have to check that out. The Boys. There's another good series I watched. What's that guy? The guy's like, I will find you and I will kill you. I've been watching a lot of his movies lately. Apple TV. Tires. Oh, I watched The Last of Us. That was pretty good. I finished that. Liam Neeson. Yeah, that's his name. Liam Neeson. Yeah, I kind of like those movies. And also, like, the bald guy. He's, like, he's in a lot of those action movies, too. He's pretty cool. They play the movies where, like, someone needs help or, like a person gets kidnapped or whatever, or someone close to them. And they used to live a dangerous life, and then they're like, oh, I don't do that anymore. And then they get back into it, and then they make the huge major comeback and like go on a killing spree and kill all the bad guys and rescue the person. Those are all pretty good. It's like the same plot and everything. Oh, Beekeeper was a really good movie with him. Beekeeper. Jason Statham, yeah. Jason Statham. Beekeeper was a very good movie. I really like that one. Black Mirror, I haven't watched that. Or Common Side Effects. Yeah, Beekeeper was good. It was like they were scamming a bunch of people and like innocent people. And then he was a beekeeper and then he just went full on attack mode. Jason was freaking pissed. He did not stand those scammers. Billions? I haven't watched Billions. I haven't watched Stranger Things. I haven't got into it. My girlfriend's brothers and family are into it. Yeah, Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Ramsey, we took a one basically break-even trade, then a 10-point stop. It's so choppy right now. We're just gonna stay cash. Honestly, this is really, really bad. Yeah, I watched Breaking Bad. That was one of my favorite seasons of all shows of all time. Breaking Bad, Walter White, Jesse Pinkman. You guys remember that freaking bathtub scene where Jesse was like, "Why do I need a damn tub when I got a bathtub?" And he put the freaking person with the acid in there. All right, looks like it's breaking down here, but we've been getting a lot of gerbated where it breaks and it looks like it's going to do a breakout and then it comes right back up and stops us out. So, yeah, we're probably going to pass on that. Yeah, I like Breaking Bad. I watched that show twice. What's that guy's name? Tuco, the crazy drug dealer. Tuco. Dude, Walter was like, oh my god. He's like, what did I get myself into? Yeah, Tuco was wild. And then his dad or grandpa with the bell. They were trying to drug him. And he kept ringing the bell. He's like, what do you want? Oh, man. Yeah, this is what I talked about. Like, yeah, we might have seen a breakout, but look, it looked like it was breaking out, faked us out, and then come back and stop us out. This is very tricky, choppy price action that we got to stay cash. We're done. Yeah, we're done on this. No more trades for the day. Yeah, we'll end the stream at 11 o'clock, guys. So if you guys got any questions or comments, we're just chilling, hanging out right now. Price, this is a good day to practice our patience and discipline and just walk away. Honestly, it's like really bad, choppy price action. And it's just, it's not even good. It's really bad. The range yesterday was very nice. We were catching nice 40, 50 point plays. But this just choppy, faking out range is very tricky. We took a small win, very bad trade on the first one, like 2 points. Then we took a 10-point stop. See, look at that. If we were catching momentum, that would have been maybe a nice breakout to the downside, making lower candles. But look, it would have stopped you out right there. It's just a fake out. Yeah, Faye, it might. Or it might just be like chopped the whole day. Because we had news yesterday and Tuesday, so there is no news today and there's no news tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow there's better price action, but today was really, really chopped. Like, on a day like this, the old me would be like forcing trades, jumping in, over leveraging, trying to get back to break even and profit. Menacingly. Man. Bro, this price action is freaking tiring. Wow. Oh yeah, is it Martin Luther King Day on Monday? Is there trading that day? Let me see. Yeah, we have MLK Day on Monday. I don't know if that will affect the trading hours. Yeah, I think it might be short. It might be a half day. Alright guys, I'm going to call it here. This price action is absolutely tiring and annoying and tricky, and we should just be avoiding this at all costs. If you're up or down on the day, I would honestly call it. Honestly, if you're not seeing price clear and you're just like kind of like getting angry and tilted, now is a good day to test your patience and walk away. We were down $170 on the day, nothing crazy, literally 9 points, nothing bad. We took a long, basically break even, and then took a 10-point stop. It's just really not, it's just not moving well at all. But we got a nice $3,650 payout yesterday. Very nice. We got a payout video for next week for y'all. Very awesome. Yeah, I'm Filipino. I'm half Filipino. Gonzalez, it should move. It should move. No, it does move, yeah. If you're copy trading. So whatever happens on, like, if I have a sell order, if this is my stop loss and it hits, it'll hit on all accounts. Yeah, but yeah, guys, this is a good day to practice patience and walk away. After this, I'm gonna hit that X and walk away. And yeah, so this is like just, we shouldn't even be trying to force it. I shouldn't even have taken that second trade, honestly. Yeah, guys, so Yeah, I trade ranges. Miggy, we traded it very well yesterday. You can take advantage of ranges if they respect it and they're good. Yeah, I'm half Filipino and the other half is mixed. I usually most of the time just say I'm half white, half Filipino because it's easier because the other half is really mixed. The other half is like Puerto Rican, Irish, German, and like some other stuff. If you're agreed, DGen Trader, you can only make 10K max per day, and if you make 10K in a pro account, then you get moved to a live account. You get a $5,000 payout, so after the fee you get $4,000, and then you get like a 5K live account, I think, something like that. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Very choppy price action. We shouldn't be forcing anything at all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're down $170 on the day. Nothing crazy. That's literally one winning play and some. So we can easily make that back. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I like being mixed, honestly. I like being mixed. It's cool. Because my mom's half Filipino, and then, yeah, my dad is like, he's white, blonde with green eyes. So it's like people don't even think we're related, but it's funny. We had the same hair and everything. Yep. Later, guys. See you guys tomorrow. 9 a.m. PST tomorrow morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, go outside, go to the gym, do whatever, do anything else. This is very choppy price action. I'm gonna call it here and yeah, get some rest. We got a nice $3,600 payout yesterday. I'm happy.